Today we're cutting, stenciling, sewing, and all that good stuff. So this chair is nearly like 40 years old and it is such a beautiful chair. I absolutely love it. And today we are making a cushion for it. We are going to be stenciling some fall foliage on it with some fabric paint, so let's get started. I began by measuring the diameter of my pillow that I wanted and then just began drawing a circle with a pen and then simply cutting it out. I am making my pillow using two different fabrics, so after my first circle was done, I just traced the circle I already had with my new fabric. After the circles are complete, I then created a 3-inch kind of ribbon to go around the edges of the pillow. Then it was time to begin stenciling, and I was just stenciling these in random spots, going back and forth between my white paint and the brown. I used a spray adhesive on the back of my stencil just to assure no bleed through on the fabric. When creating a random pattern like this, I sometimes like to overlap certain shapes just to create some depth. After the stenciling was all complete, I put the two fabrics together to see how they looked, and I absolutely loved how they complemented each other. Then it was time to begin sewing this pillow together. I sewed the two ribbons I had together, and then once they were sewn into one longer piece, I began pinning that around my circle, having the two good sides facing each other. Then I just took it to my sewing machine and simply sewn around the edges. Then I just simply cut off any excess fabric around the edges and attach the other circle with my sewing machine. When doing this last section, make sure to leave about a 3-inch hole so we can flip our pillow inside out and then stuff it. Once the pillow is all stuffed, I wanted to create these cute little buttons using the fabric I had, so I just simply placed the button cap in the mold, and then you fold the extra fabric over, and then simply put the back on, pop it out, and now you have a button that matches the pillow. To secure the rest of the pillow, I just went in with a quick hand stitch to close it up. Then I just applied all my 4 buttons, kind of going in and out of the back and the front of the pillow. I'm definitely not a seamstress, but the method I used seemed to work pretty well, so I was proud of it. After attaching all those buttons, I think it really paid off because I think the look just came out so elegant and just really transformed this chair. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.